17.20. 17.20, my man Drew. At 17.20. Hold on, 17.20. Betting.
Chris Paterson here from Chris Paterson Stock Sale agent at Tamworth. Just reporting our TRLX sale here today. Some 3,500 cattle here today for competition. Fair few of the weaners started coming in, so the best of the weaners up very much towards that $2,300. All the black calves making $2,200 to $2,300, the better calves.
100. I got 1,900 got, 1,900 bid, 19, 19, 20, 40, 1940, 1990, 90, look on here, 1940, 1960, 1960, 1960 it is, 1960, where's the money here? 1980, 1980, 1980 bid, put on the ridge, 1980, where's the money? 1980, hold on, 1980, bidding.
Start of a few of the lighter calves coming through, so a few of that 200 to 240 kilo calves, so fellas were getting some of the calves for under $2,000, which is good to see. At least they can put them back in the paddock at reasonable money. But yeah, very strong again. Good competition from the central tablelands, west of here, Gundar, Narrabri, and up north as well. Moving on to the heifers, yeah, real good run of the heifer. Anything was getting up to that John Bull weight was sort of making that $2,200, $2,300. But the majority of the heifers making that $1,900 to a bit over that $2,000 mark. Again, a few lighter weaners just started to run through, so there was those $1,600, $1,700 weaners as well, which is good to see.
36, stop you up, got 3,000 got, 21. 31, 2, 32 right out, 32, 3200 bid, 3200 look on here, 3200 3, 3300 bid, 34, 3400 bid, 3400 bid, 3450, 3450, 3450 look on here, 3450 it is on the call, 3450, 500, 3500, 3550, 3550, 3550 bid, 3550 it is, hold on 3550, bidding.
Cows and calves, a bit out of season I suppose for the cows and calves, but best cows and calves I saw there a minute ago made 4,300. They had 2 or 3 month old calves on them and been running back to the bull again. And all the preg tests is about to come very soon. But we're moving on to our next sale is our first of our weaner sales on the 25th of February. So we should have about 4,000 calves then. So I hope to see you all then. Bye.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?